Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to convert decimal hours as hours and minutes. Yeah, so we are going to convert hours and hours into hours and minutes. So if you see here, first question, if it is given 1.2 hours, okay, so 1.2 hours, so this you can write down 1, and zero point 0.2 means 2 over 10 hours. Can we write down like this? So answer is yes, because zero point 0.2, 0.2 is 2 over 10. So here we have written 2 over 10 hours. Yeah. Now our next approach will be how we can make here 60. So if we times by 6 here, and for balancing we supposed to times by 6 here in the numerator. So it will be 12 over 60 hours. Okay, and 12 over 60 hours, it is hours. So because it is divided by 60, so we can write down here 12 minute, because 12 minute is 12 divided by 60 hours. Okay, so in this place, here it is 12 divided by 60 hours. We can write down here as a 12 minute. Why? Because 12 minute, if you convert it into hours, so you should do divide by 60. So 12 over 60 hours is equal to 12 minutes. So that's why we have written here 1, and we can write down here 12 over 60, and 12 over 60 is 12 minutes. Okay. Now same thing we are going to do now if it is 4.3 hours. Okay. So B part, it is 4.3 hours. So this we can write down 4.3, you can write down here 3 over 10 hours. Okay, now next thing we need to make here 60. So you times by 6 here and times by 6 here. So we got 4, and it is 6 times 3 is 18, and 6 times 10 is 60. So 18 over 60 hours. Yeah, 18 over 16 hours, you can write down here 18 minute is 18 divided by 60 hours. Yeah, so to convert minute into hours, you divide by 60. So here it is 18 over 60. So in this place you can write down here 18 minute. So it will be 4 hours 18 minute. So this answer will be 4 hours 18 minute. Okay, let's go for C part, 9.1 hours. Okay, so let's rub this area. Okay, and we can solve here 9.1 hours. So C part, 9.1 hours. So 9, you can write down here 1 over 10 hours. Okay, again you can times by 6 here and times by 6 here, because we need to make here 60 in the denominator. So 6 over 60 hours. Okay, and we, this top number is 6, so it means it is 6 minute. To convert 6 minute into hours, you divide by 60. Okay, so this is what exactly it is written here. So in this place, 6 over 60, yeah, in this place you can write down 6 minutes. So it will be 9 hours and 6 minutes. So this answer will be 9 hours and 6 minutes. Okay, let's go for the last question, 8.9 hours. So how we can do that? Okay, so we will do it here now. So 8.9 hours, so it will be 8 hours. zero point 0.9 means 9 over 10 hours. Okay, again we can make here 60. You times by 6 here, times by 6 here. So it is 8 hours. 9 times 6 is 54. 10 times 6 is 60. So 54 divided by 60, it is here hours, right? Hmm? Okay, so it is here hours now. Yeah, so 54 over 60, so it means we can write down here 54 minute is 54 divided by 60 hours. So it is exactly written here 54, so you just focus on the numerator, so this will be 54 minutes. So we can write down here 8 hours 54 minute. So we can write down here 8 hours 54 minute. Is that okay? Let's do some practice question. So here are the practice questions. So you need to find how many hours and how many minutes are here. Okay, please pause the video and have a go. Okay, welcome back. If you have tried these questions, now you can check your answers with my answer. So first question is 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours, you can write down 5 and 5 over 10. Okay, 5 over 10 times by 6 here, we need to make here 60. Okay, then you can write down a 5, 30 over 60 hours. 30 over 60 hours means 30 minutes, and 5 is already there, so that is 5 hours 30 minutes. So you can write down 5 hours and 30 minutes. If you go for next question, 3.4 hours, so it means 3.4 hours means 4 divided by 10. Again, you can times by 6 here, times by 6, so it will be 324 over 60 hours. So this 24 over 60 hours means 24 minutes. So it will be 3 hours and 24 minutes. So you can write down here 3 hours 24 minutes. Yeah. Now next question is 2.6 hours. So we can go for here. Let me rub this. Okay. So 2.6 hours. It means 6 over 10 hours. Yeah. Now 2, we can make here 60 in the denominator. So you times by 6, times by 6. So 12 over, it is 6 times 6 is 36 over 60 hours. 36 over 60 means 36 minutes. Yeah. So it will be 2 hour and 36 minutes. Okay. Similarly, this one will be 5 hours, and if you multiply by 6 here, 6 times 9 is 54 minutes. Yeah, just straight away you can multiply by 6. Similarly here, you multiply by 6, so 7 hours and 6 times 2 is 12 minutes. So no need to say, if question is given like this 7.5 hours, so shortcut is, how many hours are there? It is 7 hours. Okay, and how many minutes are there? You just multiply by this number by 6. 6 times 5 is 30 minutes. Okay, if it is 8.2 hours is given, so how many hours are there? So it is 8 hours. And how many minutes are given here? So you just times by 6, so it will be 6 times 2 is 12 minute. Okay, so and one more question, if it is 3.5 hours is given, so how many hours are there? 3 hours. You can see here 3 hours. Here it was 8 hours. Here it was 7 hours. And it was 0.5 you times by 6. So it will be 30 minutes. It was 0.2 times by 6. That is 12 minutes here. It is 0.4. So if you multiply, so it will be 3 3 times 4, you times by 6 here, so 6 times 4 is 24 minutes. Okay, nice and easy. I hope things are clear now. Thanks for watching.